So this is our Generac standby generator, Generac Centurion. We've had it installed now for 5 or 6 years. I've never really paid a whole lot of attention to it. It's doing its weekly cycling run now. And I didn't know how much gas it was actually using, so I'm trying something to quantify that. This is our gas meter on the opposite side of the house. You can hear that it got a lot more quiet because the generator, although it's running, is out of range. So what I'm doing is I have my little handheld camera here set up on a low resolution movie mode, and I'm recording the meter. I started it before the generator spun up, and I am going to let it record until it's finished with its 15-minute exercise cycle. So when I get that video processed, I'll attach it to this video and I'll let you see what I got. You're looking at the gas meter now just before the generator starts. You notice the dial on the lower left quadrant of the gas meter face is starting to move now. That dial is in increments of half a cubic foot. The dial just to the right of it on the bottom has increments of 2 cubic feet. So for each increment on the dial to the right, the left will actually travel 4 increments. So by counting these rotations, specifically the rotations of the right-hand meter, I should get a pretty close estimate on how many cubic feet of gas is consumed by the generator during its exercise cycle each week. The dials in the top row are what the meter reader actually reads and reports for gas consumption. The dial on the right hand side is in increments of 1,000 cubic feet. The one just to the left of that is 10,000 cubic feet per increment, followed by 100,000 cubic feet per increment and 1 million cubic feet per increment on the far left. The generator is nearing its nearing completion of its exercise run, and you can see that the dials on the top row show very little difference. Actually, they have barely moved at all. So the gas meter indicator has finally stopped moving, and I've confirmed that the generator has finished its exercise run, and my total count for cubic feet using this method is 114. 114 cubic feet for the exercise run